Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Python on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, I always search for every program on the Microsoft Store first. So, search for Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. After that, search for Python in the search bar. And once you search for Python, you'll find all the latest developer tools. These are developer tools, you can download it, and it's directly from the Python software website. It is a well-rated tool. Other than this, you can obviously go to the official Python website, which is python.org, and go to the downloads page and you can download the latest version. Now, here's one thing that I noticed. While I always recommend people to download software products from the Microsoft Store, but in the case of Python, it's a little different because the latest version of Python on the Microsoft Store is 3.1 and the latest version of Python on its original website is 3.12.3. So if you want the latest version, then you will find it on the original website itself. Interestingly, I have it installed on my system. So I can click on this installer here and it will install the latest version on my system, and it's pretty quick. Usually when I download a software from the Microsoft Store, it's quicker than downloading it from the website. But as you can see in the case of Python, it installed almost instantly from the website, while the Microsoft one, it is taking time. It's still not installed. It is still installing. And this one is almost installed. I mean, the downloader was downloaded, the downloader opened, and now it is installing. It's almost installed. So was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.